crush those issues. I was told, don't worry, there's no doubt. There's always something to cry about. When you're stuck in an angry crowd, they don't think what they say.
What's the hell wrong with this radio?
Pack up your trouble in your own kit bag and bury them beneath the sea.
I don't care what the people may say, what the people may say about me.
Pack up your trouble, get your own kit bag. Don't worry about the cavalry.
I don't care what the whisperers say, 'cause they whisper too loud for me. Hot topic, maybe I should drop it. It's a touchy subject, and I like to tiptoe around the tiff going down. You got a penny, no pound. So if your business is running out, it's not my business to talk about. They don't think what they say before they open their mouth. Gotta
Pack up your trouble in your own kit bag and bury them beneath the sea.
I don't care what the people may say, what the people may say about me.
Pack up your trouble, get your own kit bag. Don't worry about the cavalry.
I don't care what the whisperers say, 'cause they whisper too loud for me. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet.
Pack up your trouble